Oh, there you go. And you did something that I encourage other people to do, and that is you came in through my cold outreach masterclass first.
Yes,
Then you reached out for coaching
yes, yes,
and
yes.
you used the two together. How effective was that for you?
So good. So your training, the master class that you did is was very useful in that it gave me some tactical things to think about, especially the mindset part. That was the biggest part for me. And also your book, The Seller's Mind, helpful. If I think everyone should definitely do the master class and read your book if they're struggling with the mindset and being consistent. That was very helpful as well. So your masterclass helped me with really granular how to cadence everything, how to actually think about what I was doing, and also the part about seeing other people's perspective when I'm calling them and not taking it personally. That came from the master's class as well. So having that to watch in between our sessions definitely boosted things up even more. The conversations that you and I had was helping me very much so stay accountable to what I said I wanted. I couldn't just say, I want to do this. You wouldn't let me. Say, I want
Right.
to do this and not do it. So that was very helpful. And you give coaching me on the information that I might bring up to you from the masterclass was amazing. Like you would drop a new module. I would watch it. I would at least watch a video probably every week, every day. Actually, not every week, every day, because I was really committed to learning to do cold calls and do it confidently and do it consistently. I was really committed to doing that because I knew that would be a difference maker in my business. So yeah, I definitely would watch it first time. The second time I would watch it and take notes. The next time I would catch something else almost every single time. I would catch something different. So watching it multiple times was very helpful. And then combined with coaching with you, I could come back to you and say, "Hey, Christine, I saw this in the module. Let's talk about this a little bit more." And that was very, very helpful.
If you like this clip, watch the full video. The link is in the description area below. And thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like button so that YouTube knows you like these videos. Be savvy.